You get your change.
No, keep the change, please. You're a doll.
Bless your heart.
Excuse me, hon. Could we get a couple?
Oh, of course. One day, I'm sitting here with my future husband. I hope to look as striking and happy as you do.
You clocking your moves on this one?
She's gonna be racking huge tips.
Well, look at this table of black and gold. Looks like we got some fellow Panther fans here.
Have fun?
Of course. I mean, I love my job, love my
Is
customers.
that fact? Because when you drop your game face, it sure looks like you'd rather be almost anywhere else.
Yeah, maybe.
Think you'd be interested in taking your game to the next level?